Exploring and analyzing the lives of the Hmong Miao people in Guizhou, China. Abstract. The Hmong people, also referred to as Miao, inherit a rich and profound history, often tethered to the vibrant tapestry of their cultural practices and the lush landscapes of southwestern China. The picturesque province of Guizhou, with its verdant rolling hills and stunning terrains, serves as home to a considerable portion of the Hmong population. This article plunges into an explorative and analytical journey, elucidating the lives, customs, and challenges of the Hmong people residing in this region. 1. Introduction background, historical context of the Hmong people. In China, demographics and geographical dispersion, the purpose of study. Delve into the socio-cultural and economic aspects. Investigate the integration and preservation of culture. 2. The enchanting Hmong culture, a traditional attire. Aesthetic and symbolism in Hmong textile arts and attire, rituals, and festivals where traditional attires are prominently featured. The culinary heritage, unique ingredients and cooking methods. Cultural and social significance of food. See spiritual and religious beliefs. Shamanism and ancestor veneration, rituals, festivals, and spiritual practices. 3. Socioeconomic aspects, agriculture, role in economy and sustenance, traditional farming techniques and crops. B. Tourism. Leveraging cultural and natural assets, balancing preservation and commercialization. C. Modernization. And migration, rural to urban migration patterns, impact on traditional lifestyles and young generations. 4. Challenges faced by the Hmong community, cultural preservation. The struggle between modernization and cultural preservation, efforts in sustaining language and traditions. The economic disparities, challenges in access to education and healthcare, infrastructure and income disparities. 5. The Hmong and broader Chinese society, integration and identity, the dual identity. Hmong and Han Chinese, cultural assimilation and preservation, the government policies. And minority rights, a glance at China's ethnic minority policies, the impact on Hmong communities and livelihoods. 6. Conclusion, a synthesis of findings, unveiling the vibrant yet intricate lives of the Hmong in Guizhou, the implications, insight into socio-cultural sustainability, fostering cultural understanding and cohesiveness. 7. Recommendations of cultural preservation strategies, emphasizing education and digital documentation. B. Sustainable development, ACO. Tourism and sustainable agricultural practices. C. Policy advocacy, ensuring equitable development and access to resources for minority populations. 8. Further research directions, exploring intergenerational perspectives within the Hmong community. Comparative studies with other ethnic minorities in China. Note, this article outline serves as a generic guide and requires further meticulous research to ensure accurate, comprehensive, and sensitive portrayal of the Hmong Miao people in Guizhou, China. It is imperative to approach the topic with respect and consideration for the communities involved, possibly including their voices and perspectives in the article through interviews and participatory research methods. Thank you for watching.